Welcome to the fifth lesson, Emirati with Sakina. In today's lesson, we're going to continue the ownership, but with the third individuals. How to refer an object, a noun, to him, her, and them. So again, it's going to be all about the endings. I'm going to be using the word motor as I used it in the last class. So if I want to say his car, for example, I'm just going to end it with the sound. So I will say motara. If I want to say her car, I'm just going to end it with the ha sound. I will say motor ha. If I want to refer to the third group of people, I will say motor home. So ending should be home. The same thing I can do it with any other object. So for example, I have the word kitab. If I want to say his book by using the word kitab, I will say kitabah. If I want to say it for a third individual female, like her book, I will say kitab ha. If I want to say their book, I'm just going to end it with the hum by saying kitab hum. Hope you liked today's class. If you want to learn more, just follow us and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. مع السلامة.